better. See, I can see.
And there's another one there.
Can you close?
Okay. So when you're traveling with us, sometimes you have problems that you want to solve, and we've got a problem. There's no light when we open up the cupboard. You can't see all the stuff that we need to see back there. So this is our solution: LED lights, but not this particular LED light. We decided to use another one. These ones. Reason being, because they're more insulated, and I don't want anything
Okay.
short-circuiting in the cupboard with all the stuff in there. I think it would be okay for the other light we're going to replace up here, because nothing bumps there. But for in the cupboards, we want the insulated lights, so that when we open the cupboards, we can see what we're doing.
Yeah.
Because at the moment, we can't see what we're doing. Alright, okay. Alright, again, you can see how when you open that, it's hard to see it in the back, especially like at night time. You can imagine it's like near impossible to see what you're doing in there, and they end up scrambling for a torch, and that's a mess. So what we've got now, we've taken the cables, some of the cables from the existing switches that were already there. Yes, I know that's a mess, but that's just how I'm going to leave it. It's already got a fuse on the other side of it, so I'm pretty okay with it. And we've run these cables from here up over to, there's the new LED lights that we've put in there. And we use these new switches. I'll show those switches in a minute. And the lights go underneath.
Yeah, underneath you can see it.
So you can see in
It's
here.
already sticking in.
Yeah. Okay. So first, strip a bit off that. Okay, first is you got to put the solder on both sides, and then you can connect them both together.
I meant to make it straight. This is hard work, I think. Good job. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
turn
it. In here to the LED light. See, that's negative. We do the positive.
Yeah, this is the positive.
Yeah, this is a positive. You will know because they have a plus and negative. That's positive.
This is actually harder than putting it on the cable. You got to heat up the copper first, and then you can feed in the solder. And if you can, don't get this solder that I got.
What you gonna
Because
do?
there we go.
Yeah, that's perfect. Just leave it dry.
Because if you get the solder that I got, it has a higher temperature. This is lead-free solder. Apparently the lead solder is a lower temperature.
That's it, Daddy. My love, that's it.
You reckon?
Yeah, and then we're gonna connect this
Oh, that's hot.
to that. We're gonna connect this one.
Is that the black one?
Yeah, that's negative one.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Okay, so the trick is you don't want the cable to be pointing up. because when you press down on it and it finally melts together, then it'll flip up again like that, and you don't want that. So you want it to press down on itself.
Yeah, to be flat. Flat, yeah, like that. And then press together.
You got to put a bit of pressure on it. That's what we couldn't figure out before. That's all we were doing is trying to touch it.
Not too much pressure, because it's gonna be.
No.
Yeah, like that. Smooth pressure.
Okay.
Yeah, see?
It took us ages to figure that out.
Yeah, see?
And if you try and do it on plastic or wood, don't do that. Yeah, metal if you can.
Yeah.
So press on that, a bit of pressure.
Yeah, but it's still hard. It's coming.
This is the hardest bit.
Yeah. Yeah, here it comes. It's going down. Yeah, good job, babe.
Yeah.
You're doing well.
Righto, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. That's it, guys. See?
With any luck, it's on proper, so it doesn't come off. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Now, if you use, we did use these clips because I literally gave up on trying to just do that. And so we went and bought these clips, and I thought it would be so much easier to use the clips that just simple go on, right?
Mm-hmm.
And hey presto, it was like problem solved, but yeah, not problem solved, the bloody things just come off, so can't really see that.
Yeah, I think that's it, man.
Anyway, now we don't have to worry, we've got that sorted.
This is the good the good one, and this one is easy to rig, see?
Okay, now this is the switches that we bought. That's pretty good there. And you can see where those two little arrows come together. If you can hear that noise, that's the switches turning off and on, off, on, off, on. And we connect the negative through here to go out, and the negative to go here to go in. And because the door is normally closed, we put it on the NC and not the NO, which is normally open. So when the door opens, the switch comes on, and the door closes, turns the lights off. Okay, so with the lights connected, now with it installed, you can see, you can open the cupboards and you got light, you can see what you're doing.
Wow, the light is on. Okay,
yeah.
Can you
see when I close that door, the other one goes off, see? Okay.
And that one?
The other one?
Yeah, that's better. See, I can see.
And there's another one there.
Can you close?
And the little switches are doing their thing. These little switches.
Yeah, that's...
Okay.
It's very messy because we've been working here inside to change the light and things around here.
So our next problem, put the camera up here. Our next problem is that this original light we purchased, it's not bright enough. And that is as bright as it gets.
Yeah, because that was like 2 years
That's
old
full
now.
brightness. And you can see, turn on that back light, the light at the back. You can see how much brighter that one is.
That one is good.
That's much brighter compared to this light.
Yeah.
So we're going to change this light out
Yeah, okay.
with something more brighter.
Okay. What are you doing, Daddy?
I'm splitting the cable so I can expose the wires to connect them to the new LED. I'm trying to do it. Cutting myself for working the wire.
Okay.
Okay, see?
Mm.
Alright, how's that?
Mm. Okay.
Put this back in. Oh, that tastes better. Look at that.
Mm. The light, it's working now.